build a kid clubhouse out of some pallets that we had. We have a new roof that we're so grateful for, and we had this fire pit that we built, and so it had some pallets. So we're gonna use what we have and build a kid cabin. So yesterday I loosely placed where I'd like the pallets to go. It's gonna be taller in the back and then shorter in the front. And hopefully we'll use palm fronds for a roof and probably also some plastic corrugated pieces. We're ready to get started, right, Marcella? Yes. So what our plan is to use this tree, this tree, this tree, and this thin tree here as our 4 pillars for this. We are trying to make sure everything is level, and we're using other wood to stabilize it against our imperfect posts that are trees. Hey, Adri. So we just got really lucky because this 2x4 behind helps join them together, and we're using exterior trim screws. So here's the back view. We have the 4 pallets together, and then we're gonna put the stakes in the back to just make sure there's extra support. So Clara wants to drill. So here's her first time drilling. Go ahead, little girl. You gotta push. You gotta push. Okay, go. Go. Yay! Keep going. A little bit more. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Good job. So he found this random piece of wood, and it fits well here. So in this very professional build, we're gonna make that work. So we're just putting this in this pole just to reinforce it. Do you get the feeling that you're doing all the labor? No. So now we're working on this side, and this one was pretty level to begin with. And he's just, I don't know what they're doing. So Marcella's just leveling this out. We're just gonna put one more piece up today. We're gonna put this pallet in here. We are missing, this pallet does have to go up on top, but we'll do that tomorrow, and then we'll put the roof on tomorrow. So now we're screwing the roof on. It's uneven in the back, but because it's an odd shape, but it is even in the front. We put the roof at a slight incline so that rainwater would come off, but I'm looking at it and thinking I should have probably done even more of an incline. Oh well. And one final piece, we thought that this wasn't gonna fit because of the roof. We bought a chainsaw that doesn't work, but it actually does fit. So we're gonna secure this into place. And then I think that should be about it. So let me give you a tour. I put some palms up top to give it that thatched kind of look. Now that ivy is faux, and we added some little shelves here for their treasures. I still plan to make benches, but for now, we just have some logs here to sit on, and this table that was sitting outside for a long time. I've added some hooks here. And lanterns. And here we are from the view from the fire pit. And I think we're gonna do a fire pit tonight, so I'll show you what it looks like lit up. I put lights around this tree, as well as up top here.
Kevin.